So thank you for this opportunity. There were questions asked of me in the back, and one of the main questions that they were asking is whether or not I experienced the issues that others had mentioned, which was bone breaking and pain and extreme fatigue. I did not. Mine was discovered through my compromised kidney function and discovered through high creatinine levels. And so I did not experience those things. I mean, I'm pretty acquainted with um, fatigue. I am a principal in DC DC school, so fatigue is pretty common. But anyway, I just wanted to share that there's a whole lot more to my story as it relates to um, this disease being discovered. I too was one of those patients that was always told that you look fine. I go to a nephrologist and they would explain things away. I go to an oncologist, they would explain things away. And I did get the message that you look absolutely wonderful, and I'm thinking, well, that's nice and that's fine, but there are issues that I'm still experiencing and we need to get to the bottom of it. Thank God for a primary care physician who's deceased right now, who just would not take no for an answer for me. But if you have any questions for me, I'm in the back.
And he's also available to speak at your event.